Hey YouTube, what is up? Captain Rex here with Medium Meerkat and Fox Beer Wagner. Alright,
me horny.
be sure to check out Medium Meerkat's channel. And we're playing on Bunker 51. Welcome back to Nightmare. And we're playing White Noise again.
Call me I'm sexual.
Yeah, Medium Meerkat's sexual chocolate now.
Hell yeah! And then Captain Rex is dick chocolate.
Yeah.
Dark Wolf.
Alright, let's start the game. Start the game, start the game, start the game, start the game.
Okay, did you? Okay. I'm sorry, and I gotta feed my cats though. You know what? We're the street in the world with the speaking of Okay, Captain Rex, we already came out. Fox is getting trouble in the back, you're getting trouble in front, because it's always the front or back guy that gets taken out first.
Hey guys, it spawned me in a corner again. Dude, Fox, we're safe. Fox, we're safe. Fox, turn around, we're safe. Fox, remember?
Can you guys let me pick up the parts? Where do you find the parts for your new characters? I'm new to this game, don't judge me.
Hey, sorry about the glare on the TV, guys. It's daytime, as you can see.
Whoa, it's a glowing tree. Oh, no, not. Ah!
Stare into it, stare into it, stare into it, stare into it.
What the hell is that?
It's a black pickle.
Hey,
Fox.
what's going on with my screen?
The black pickle's back.
Something's going on with my screen. It's staticky. Okay, it's gone, it's gone. What the heck happened?
Fox, slow down, dude.
Luke, can I pick it up? Where is it? Where's the recorder? Where is it? Oh, I think it's
Oh god, where's it gonna spawn at? Fox, just run. Run. Fox, it's gonna spawn in. Fox! No, it's not! Shut up! Sharing's caring, Fox!
We're all in the corner, right? Maybe. Okay, so fuck around me. It's straight at me. It's fun right next to Austin in the hallway, right next to him. It was so scary. Okay, we're good. Okay, good.
Fuck you, Nathan, you're in the back!
I was in the back and I was about to die.
Oh fuck! Run! Oh god!
I'll be recording later though.
Oh god, my controller died on me. Nathan, where you at? Nathan?
I made a corner.
Turn around and run! Run! Run, Nathan! Follow me! Follow me! I hear it! I hear it! Where's it at?
You should put a thing that says volume warning on this, because I'm about to...
I'm going to. Oh god. Fox, where'd you go?
Oh, that's not my mouse. Is that better?
Fox, where'd you go? Nathan?
Wait.
Nathan? Oh god, Nathan! Where you at, Fox?
I'm gonna die!
We have to go find Fox! We gotta find Fox!
Guys, listen. Austin, you gotta do me a favor before we pop my balls out!
Ah! Shut up, Nathan! No, he's not! Fuck it! Oh god, he's gone! Where'd he go?
Hey, Austin, I need you to do me a favor. Listen, I need you to cup my balls. Okay.
Fox, I love you. No homo.
Dude, I love you too.
Follow me, Nathan. I'll get us out of here. I'll get us out of here.
That's a lie. I'm not a pussy, but I don't play This is my first story game. I'm gonna start doing some recording on story games.
Welcome, Mr. Anderson. Welcome to the Matrix.
Subscribe to Austin's channel.
Dude, I can't see shit in here. Yay! Ah! I hate you! You killed him, you bastard! Do you have time to talk about your Lord and Savior Jesus Christ? Fox! Hey, Nathan! It's all up to you now! Hey, what's up, bro? What's up, we're ghosts? Let's walk through each other. Let's walk through each other. Ectoplasm, high five. Nathan! Nathan, right here, pick it up. Right here, pick it up. Pick it up. Nathan, over here. Nathan, over here, pick it up. Nathan! Right here, pick it up.
Hey! We're all friends here. We're all gonna make it. We're all good.
Your guy's so ugly, Nathan. Dude, are you still holding a flashlight as a ghost?
Yeah, you would do.
The fuck? What? So the flashlight had a mind of its own?
I'm not going in there.
Nathan, only you can see him. Only you can see him and we can't. Follow me. Follow me, Nathan. Follow me. Follow me. Follow the ghosts. Follow the ghosts.
I'm gonna be right there. Where's your friend? I go follow me. Don't get mad, okay?
This way. This way.
I just heard him. He said to me, you're so cute.
This way. No, this way. This way. This way. This way. We go through this door. God damn it, guys. No! Yeah, guys, we did it. 6 minutes and 33 seconds.
I turn around to look at Austin, and then there he comes, like, hello, Johnny. Comes out of nowhere, like, surprise! I watched way more than you guys. I cried more. I thought you could see. Watch, you can see. Oh my god. Does it show? Stop. Oh, this time.
You went the complete opposite direction as us.
I went in the corner. Thank you.
Sacrifice! Alright, thanks for watching.